గజిబిజి గణితాన్ని గజిబిజి లేకుండా చెప్పడమే మా లక్ష్యం. దానికి మీరు చేయవలసింది మా శ్రీలత కొత్త మ్యాథ్స్ క్లబ్లో జాయిన్ కండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద మ్యాథ్స్ గేమ్. Okay, the problem is 3 tan A equal to 4. Then find the value of sin A and cos A. Then find the value of sin A and cos A. This is a given. Tan A is equal 3 tan A is equal to 4. Then 3 tan A means 3 into tan A. Tan ను మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది 3. Then tan A is equal to మల్టిప్లై చేసేటటువంటి 3 వాల్యూ is goes to outside, that is the divide. Okay, 3 tan A equal to 4. Then tan A equal to 4 మల్టిప్లై చేసేటటువంటి 3 వాల్యూ tan మల్టిప్లై చేసేటటువంటి 3 వాల్యూ is goes to outside, that is the divided by 4 by 3. Tan A equal to 4 by 3. Okay, what is the tan? What is tan? Always you remember this quotation: P B P H H B. Pare bag lo penunda ha ha bapu. This last one is the tan. Sin P by H, cos B by H, tan P by B. Tan P by B. What is the P? P is opposite, perpendicular mean opposite side of angle A. And this next B. B mean base. Base mean adjacent. Base mean adjacent side of angle A. Next find the triangle. This one is a triangle. This one is a triangle A B C. Then opposite side is 4. Then I will see from the angle A. Find the values sin A cos A. మనల్ని find out చేయాల్సిన వాల్యూలు sin A cos A కాబట్టి మనం చూసేదంతా angle A side నుంచి చూడాలి కాబట్టి I will see from the angle A. Angle A opposite is this one. Opposite is this one, and this one is the adjacent. This one is right angle, this is the right angle. Right angle opposite is always hypotenuse. Please remember it. Right angle opposite is always hypotenuse. Okay, on this place opposite side of angle A, opposite side is 4, and adjacent side is 3 is given. Find the value of hypotenuse. How can I find out? Pythagoras theorem is there. That Pythagoras theorem is 2 sides square sum equal to hypotenuse square. 2 sides square mean AB square. AB one side, that square, and BC one side, that square, BC square. These 2 sides square sum is equal to, last one is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means AC whole square. Okay, then AB is equal to 3 square plus BC is equal to 4 square is equal to AC square. Then 3 square is equal to 3 into 3 9 plus 4 square is equal to 4 into 4 16 is equal to AC square. Then 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 is equal to AC square. Then AC is equal to root of 25. Then that is equal to 5 into 5. Then that is equal to 5 square. Square root cancel. Then AC is equal to 5. Okay, AC square is equal to 25. Then AC is equal to root 25. Root 25 means root of 5 into 5. 5 is 25. Then 5, 2 5 is there. Then that is equal to root of 5 square. Square root cancel. 5. AC is equal to 5. AC is also there. Hypotenuse is also there. 5. Then find the sine and cos values. Okay. Easily I will find the sine A. Sine A mean, what is the sine A? Sine mean P by H. Sine mean P by H. P by H is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular mean always opposite side of angle A. And next is hypotenuse. H mean hypotenuse side of angle A. Then opposite side. Opposite side is 4 is there and hypotenuse is 5. 4 by 5. Okay, next I find the value is cos A. Cos A is equal B by H. What is B? B mean base. Base mean adjacent side of angle A, and hypotenuse mean hypotenuse. H mean hypotenuse side of angle A. Then adjacent side is 3 by hypotenuse is 5. 3 by 5. Sin A value is 4 by 5 and cos A value is 3 by 5. Is it clear? Okay, any doubt? I will explain once more. Then t tan A is equal to 3 tan A equal to 4. Then find the values of sin A and cos A. That given is tan A equal to 4, 3 tan A equal to 4. Then tan A is equal to 3 ni multiply చేసేటటువంటి 3 is equal to అవతల అయిపోతే 4 by 3 అవుతుంది. What is the tan? Tan mean P by B. P mean always remember it, perpendicular mean opposite side of angle A. And B mean base. Base mean adjacent side of angle A. I will see from the angle A. Why? Because that question is a angle, sin A and cos A. Question is find the value of sin B, cos B. Then I will see from this side. And question is sin C, cos C. I will see from this side. Okay. Question is not given angle B. Question is given only question is given sin A, cos A. That's why I will see from the sin A angle. I will see from the angle. ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనల్ని ఇక్కడ ప్రశ్నలోనే క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ గివెన్ sin A and cos A. That's why I will see from the angles A. Question is given sin C and cos C. I will see from the angle C, this side. Okay, then the question is given sin A cos A కాబట్టి మనం ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఏ నుంచి మాత్రమే చూస్తున్నాం. ఇచ్చినటువంటి దాన్ని బట్టి మాత్రమే మనం చూడాలి. నెక్స్ట్ then opposite side, opposite is given, adjacent is given. Find the value is 5. Then by the Pythagoras theorem, two sides square sum is equal to hypotenuse square. Then one side is AB square plus other side is BC square. That sum is equal to sum in plus is equal to hypotenuse square mean AC square. AB is given 3 square plus BC is given 4. 4 square is equal to AC square. 3 square mean 9 plus 4 square means 16 is equal to AC square. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 is equal to AC whole square. AC is equal to root of 25 is equal to root of 5 into 5 is equal to root of 5 square. Square root cancel. AC is equal to 5 is there. Then sin value. Sin value is P by H. P mean always perpendicular. Perpendicular mean opposite side of angle A. And H mean hypotenuse side of angle A. Opposite side angle A is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. Then 4 by 5 is the sin A value. Cos A is equal to B by H. Base mean adjacent side of angle A. And H mean hypotenuse side of angle A. Then adjacent side is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. 3 by 5. Cos A value is 3 by 5. Okay, is it clear? I will go to the next problem.